Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life's video presentation.
Vitamin B7, commonly known as biotin, is essential for healthy metabolism, strong hair and nails, and balanced blood sugar. It plays a central role in helping your body convert food into energy, especially through its involvement in key carboxylase enzymes. Chemically, biotin has the formula C10H16N2O3s. This compact molecule acts as a coenzyme for several carboxylase enzymes that help your body break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Without biotin, these essential metabolic reactions slow down. Inside your cells, biotin activates carboxylase enzymes that regulate fatty acid synthesis, amino acid breakdown, and glucose metabolism. These reactions help maintain steady energy levels and support healthy metabolic function throughout the day. Biotin also supports the production of keratin, the protein that forms your hair, skin, and nails. Adequate B7 helps maintain strong hair strands, healthy skin texture, and resilient nails. When levels drop, these tissues can weaken over time. Research shows that biotin deficiency can lead to brittle nails, thinning hair, and impaired metabolic function. Studies highlight that restoring B7 levels supports keratin production, improves metabolic pathways, and helps maintain healthy skin. Peer-reviewed studies also link biotin to improve glucose regulation, enhance fatty acid metabolism, and better cellular repair. Scientists continue exploring its role in supporting metabolic balance, skin health, and long-term vitality. You can increase your vitamin B7 intake through foods like eggs, almonds, salmon, sweet potatoes, spinach, and seeds. These nourishing foods help support healthy hair, balanced metabolism, and overall cellular function. For those who may not get enough biotin from food alone, B7 supplements are widely available. They offer a simple way to support keratin production, metabolic balance, and overall wellness. Your body thrives when it has the nutrients it needs. Vitamin B7 plays a powerful role in metabolism, skin health, and cellular strength. Supporting your B7 levels can help you feel more vibrant, energized, and confident. Make vitamin B7 a priority today. Your metabolism, your skin, and your long-term wellness will thank you. Stay committed to your health journey and continue watching this series to build a stronger, more energized you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Together, we are building unstoppable energy and vitality. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website integrativenutritionforlife.com and reach out via email today. Connect with a very smart, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.